Right. So today let's talk about why stop losses can cost you a lot when it comes to crypto trading. Yes, it's important you have stop losses, and sometimes you need to know where to even place your stop losses. So let's look at this trade. This is a trade that I did my analysis and I saw that no, there's an opportunity for me to make some small gains like 10 or 5% in the market. The trade was there. You can see this is the line. This is the profit or loss level. And I chucked some gains. So I was here, got to like, was winning like 5%. Then all of a sudden, there was a massive sale. So you can see this line. And that's the 5 minutes time frame. It just came boom. Someone just dropped, bought in large quantities, and it dropped all the way from this side, right? And if I was having a stop loss, it would have been around, most of you say stop losses should be around this side and stuff. It could be just around this side. So if I was not around and there was stop loss, I will be what? Out of the market. So instead of stop losses, what I would advise is that, and I have a lot of trades going on. Some of them are already making some 9% and stuff. So no matter your capital, sometimes understand this, your lot sizing, right? When we come to your the quantity that you placed on use is very important. If you use a lot of leverage, you are going to be liquidated. And let me show you, this is BTC that I'm doing. And the liquidation price, BTC is currently at 92,000. I will only be liquidated. My accounts can only be liquidated when it gets to 29,000. When it gets to 29,004, 24, 24, within that range. So it tells you that your loss sizing is very important. And no, now this trade is going to recover. I'm going to recover it because you can see the MACD indicator and the RSI showing that it was oversold. So it's going to get corrected. And now I can control it, either move out of it or make sure that it gets to a appreciable level where I can make some gains, break even, and go out of it. So if you want to learn crypto trading, it takes patience, it takes time. Don't rush. Take your time. Learn the trade. And once you learn, you can do more in terms of that. So someone is also trying to dump, but you see it's going to recover because it needs time. You need to take time. And once you do take time, and once you see that the trade is going too much into your capital, please just close it. Don't be afraid. Sometimes the challenge we face is that you are afraid that, oh, you want to lose, you are losing dollars. You are losing. No, don't be afraid to lose money. And don't be afraid. But the important thing is learn. I use MACD and RSI indicator alone. That's the only thing I use. That's the only. And also you can see MACD, I have this moving averages, whatever, but I don't use that. But I just use the MACD and this thing to do my technical analysis. And I enter. And today alone, this week alone, I've gone into like at least 12 trades and I've won all of them. The only trade that I have, which is difficult to win, I've been in this trade. You see this Trump USD, I've been in this trade for 1 good year, it's getting to 1 year now. When Trump coin launched, that was where I entered into this trade, and it dumped. You know it. You know the story how it dumped. Until date, I'm still on that trade. I've lost more than negative 10,000 plus. They've got 10,000 for whatever. But I'm still in that trade. That I can be in this trade for the next 10 years. I will never get liquidated. Unless Trump coins gets to 0.0000.00, then I can say that maybe I will get liquidated. But once it's here, I will never get liquidated. And that is why you need to know. So when people say, oh, they lost money because they got liquidated. No, your leverage is too high. You don't understand the process. And you're looking towards to people who are doing Instagram and showing off cars to teach you. No, you are going to lose. Because some of us, majority of us, don't understand. So if you want to learn one-on-one coaching about how to learn crypto, just send me a message. Or also you can use Bybit. The link is in the description below to do your trading. Thank you very much. I believe in you. See you in the next video.